Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment in our Easy and Simple DIY series. In today's installment, we are going to be talking about essential oils, and I'm going to show you just a few of them that I have here with me. This one you can get on Amazon. It's only for, I think, like $2. Or you can go to your local Walmart and you can pick up essential oils like I did here, which says this one is the aromatherapy travel set, which comes with 8 different essential oils and a carrying case. Before we begin, let me just tell you a little bit about essential oils and what we're going to be covering. Essential oils interact with the body through the nose, and they are also absorbed through the skin. There is also a benefit in just surrounding yourself with the energetic value of the oil. There are many ways to use essential oil, and today I'm going to go over how to use it in a bath, just regular bath water with the essential oils. The essential oils can be used in a bath for therapy and pleasure. Be careful not to use an oil that is sensitizing or irritating on the skin. And the essential oil added directly to the bath, or better, it can be diluted in a tablespoon of vegetable oil or a teaspoon of honey, or even a half a cup of milk. Honey and milk are excellent emulsifiers and will help the aromatherapy essential oil to disperse in the water. The safest oils for everyone to use in the bath are the lavender and chamomile because of their gentle, non-irritant qualities. So if you want to experiment with others, watch out for oils that might be photosensitizing when in direct contact with the skin. Remember that the oil is not dispersed and diluted in the water. It is full strength. So go carefully, 1 drop at a time. Use up to 8 drops of your chosen essential oils or blend. Run the bath as usual and then add the essential oil or mixture to the water. Keep the bathroom door closed to ensure that the aroma does not disperse. Swish the water around vigorously. And before getting in, if you're using Oshadi bath oils, add a couple of capsules to the running water shortly before the bath has filled. Now that's the first way we're going to go. And the two that they're talking about is like right here where my thumb is. That's the lavender and a chamomile, which I don't know if I have in here. Let's see if I have it in the second one. I don't have the chamomile in this one either, but the lavender or the chamomile is great. Now, I can't show you how to use it because I don't have a throwaway cup. But what you would do is you would go in and you would take like the lavender here and just add a couple of drops to your water. No more than 8 for your bath. Make sure the door is closed so you get the therapy. Now, if you want a good mixture so it disperses in the water the way you want it, as I said, add a teaspoon of honey or a half a cup of milk. The milk and the honey are great emulsifiers, so it will distribute it in the water. So it's not as if you'll have these little oil spots, because remember, this is essential oil. In oil and water, the oil normally floats on top in a spot. So the best way to do it, like they said, if you have honey, use a teaspoon of honey. If you don't have honey, just use a half a cup of milk. Take the milk, a half a cup of milk, put 8 drops into that half a cup of milk. Pour it into your bath water. Excuse me. and then you're all set as long as the door is closed to enjoy a nice hot bath with some good aromatherapy. Now there's many other ways to use the aromatherapy. You can also use it in chest rubs or compresses, diffusers, direct application, foot and hand bath. You can even gargle with essential oils. You can use it for inhalation and steam inhalation, external use, massages. There's many uses, and we will be going over each and every one of them. But I first wanted to cover the bath. Um, I cannot show you how to do that because I do not have honey and I do not have milk at this time. And I'm not going to take a bath during the day, so I cannot show you, but I can give you these instructions which I just did. If to get it so it dispersifies in the water instead of just beating on top like oil normally does, use a teaspoon of honey with it, and then add the oils in with the honey. It will help disperse it. Or, if you don't have honey, take a half a glass of milk and put the 8 drops of your essential oil that you want in there, in with the milk, and then pour it in the water, and that would disperse it into your bath evenly so it's not just floating on top in spots like oil does. I hope this has helped you, and I really hope that you find ways to use essential oils because they do help your life so much. They are a great relaxer to help you to de-stress. Remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes. Until I see you again, I love each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.